Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without losing your sanity. Today, we're putting two sky-high contenders head-to-head. On the left, we have the Holy Stone HS720 GPS drone, and on the right, the Gloral drone with 4K camera RC quadcopter. So fasten your seatbelts and let's dive into the drone zone. Let's talk about the elephant in the sky. The price. Holy Stone HS720 is waving at us with a $249 price tag. On the other hand, Gloral is like, hey, I'm a bargain, at $179. That's right, folks, Gloral is cheaper. But remember, sometimes you get what you pay for. Or do you? Let's find out. Next up, let's zoom into camera quality. Holy Stone boasts a 4K UHD camera with image stabilization and a shock absorption holder. Reviewers say it's like having your own personal Hollywood director minus the attitude. Meanwhile, Gloral's flexing its 4K camera with a 110 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustable lens. It's like a wide-eyed puppy capturing every moment. Both have 5G FPV transmission, but let's be honest, who doesn't these days, right? Time to get intelligent. Flight modes, that is. Holy Stone's got GPS-assisted intelligent flight, following you around like a loyal dog, never getting lost. According to reviews, it's like having a drone with a PhD in navigation. Gloral, on the other hand, is no slouch either. It's got GPS follow, route planning, and fly around 360 degrees. It's like having a drone that's part ninja, part tour guide. Who's winning this round? You decide. Battery life, because nobody likes a mid-air nap. Holy Stone flies for 26 minutes per battery, giving you a total of 52 minutes with 2 batteries. Reviewers note it's longer than some of their relationships. Gloral, however, offers up to 46 minutes with its 2 batteries. It seems like a close race, but every minute counts when you're pretending to be a professional aerial photographer, right? Let's talk about design and portability. Holy Stone is foldable and comes with a well-fitted carrying case. Reviewers call it the James Bond of drones, sleek, stylish, and ready for action. Gloral is also compact and portable with foldable arms and lightweight construction. It's more like the MacGyver of drones, always ready for an adventure. Whether you're a spy or an adventurer, both drones got you covered. Ease of use. Because nobody wants a drone that's harder to control than a toddler on a sugar high. Holy Stone offers one key start, stop, emergency stop, altitude hold, and even an electric fence. Reviewers say it's like having a drone nanny. Gloral's got app-controlled, altitude hold, optical flow, headless mode, obstacle avoidance, and more. It's like having a drone that's practically shouting, "I got this!" Reviewers generally praise the Holy Stone HS720 for its stability, ease of use, and advanced features, though some mention battery life as a downside. On the other hand, the Gloral drone is commended for its ease of setup, quiet operation, and impressive image quality, making it a budget-friendly option for aerial photography. So smart shoppers, which drone takes the crown? Is it the sophisticated Holy Stone HS720 or the adventurous Gloral drone? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this sky-high comparison, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more awesome product showdowns. Until next time, remember, buy smart, fly smarter, take care. Product links are in the description.